Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we're discussing the rubber plant. The rubber plant, known scientifically as Ficus elastica, is a stunning and resilient houseplant that has gained popularity for its striking appearance and ease of care. With its large, glossy, dark green leaves that showcase reddish-brown undersides, it adds a touch of elegance and drama to any indoor space. The rubber plant's adaptability to various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, makes it suitable for most indoor environments. It can grow tall over time, becoming a focal point in a room. Regular pruning can maintain a more compact size. Additionally, this plant is known for its air-purifying abilities, effectively removing toxins from the air, promoting a healthier living environment. With its captivating beauty and low-maintenance nature, the rubber plant continues to be a favorite choice among plant enthusiasts and interior decorators alike. Links can be found below in the description box, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.